Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Along English, an easy English speaking podcast where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we have a special shadowing practice episode all about supermarket English. This is going to be so helpful for your daily English conversation practice. Now, before we start practicing, let me tell you something important. If you haven't watched the main podcast episode on this topic yet, I really recommend you watch that first. In that episode, Alex and I explain all the vocabulary and concepts in detail. You'll find the link in the description below and a card above. But if you've already watched it, perfect. Then you're ready to practice speaking. That's exactly what we're going to do together today. So, what is shadowing? It's simple. You're going to listen to me say phrases and sentences, and then you're going to repeat them immediately, just like a shadow. Say them out loud with me. This is how you go from learning English to actually speaking English with confidence. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice out loud, and you'll see improvement every single day. Today, we're going to practice 100 different sentences for supermarket English. These are real sentences you can use when you go shopping at the grocery store. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Remember, the key is to speak out loud. Don't just listen. Repeat everything I say. That's how you build your English speaking muscles. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin our English practice together. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Here we go.
I need to go to the supermarket today. I need to go to the supermarket today.
Where is the grocery store near here? Where is the grocery store near here? There is a supermarket 3 blocks from my home. There is a supermarket 3 blocks from my home. The supermarket opens at 8 in the morning. The supermarket opens at 8 in the morning. I'm making a shopping list before I go. I'm making a shopping list before I go. Do you have a shopping cart I can use? Do you have a shopping cart I can use? I prefer to use a basket for small items. I prefer to use a basket for small items. Excuse me, where is the produce section? Excuse me, where is the produce section? These tomatoes look very fresh and ripe today. These tomatoes look very fresh and ripe today. The fresh vegetables are in the back corner. The fresh vegetables are in the back corner. I want to buy some apples and bananas. I want to buy some apples and bananas. How much do the oranges cost per pound? How much do the oranges cost per pound? Can you help me find the dairy section? Can you help me find the dairy section? I need a carton of milk for breakfast. I need a carton of milk for breakfast. Do you sell organic milk at this store? Do you sell organic milk at this store? The cheese is on the left side here. The cheese is on the left side here. I'm looking for low-fat yogurt, please. I'm looking for low-fat yogurt, please. Where can I find the meat section here? Where can I find the meat section here? I want to buy some fresh chicken breasts. I want to buy some fresh chicken breasts. Do you have any fish on sale today? Do you have any fish on sale today? The bakery section has fresh bread every morning. The bakery section has fresh bread every morning. I need a loaf of whole wheat bread. I need a loaf of whole wheat bread. These croissants smell absolutely delicious right now. These croissants smell absolutely delicious right now. Which aisle has the pasta and rice? Which aisle has the pasta and rice? The pasta is in aisle 5 on the left. The pasta is in aisle 5 on the left. I'm looking for tomato sauce and olive oil. I'm looking for tomato sauce and olive oil.
Where do you keep the canned goods here? Where do you keep the canned goods here?
I need a can of soup for lunch. I need a can of soup for lunch. Do you have any canned beans in stock? Do you have any canned beans in stock?
The frozen food section is at the back. The frozen food section is at the back.
I want to buy some frozen vegetables tonight. I want to buy some frozen vegetables tonight. Do you sell ice cream in different flavors? Do you sell ice cream in different flavors?
I need a box of cereal for breakfast. I need a box of cereal for breakfast.
Where can I find the coffee and tea? Where can I find the coffee and tea?
I prefer to drink tea in the morning. I prefer to drink tea in the morning.
I need a bottle of water, please. I need a bottle of water, please.
Do you have any fresh juice in stock? Do you have any fresh juice in stock?
I want to buy a carton of orange juice. I want to buy a carton of orange juice.
The snacks and chips are in aisle 3. The snacks and chips are in aisle 3. I need a bag of chips for tonight. I need a bag of chips for tonight.
Do you sell cookies and crackers at this store? Do you sell cookies and crackers at this store?
I'm looking for some chocolate and candy bars. I'm looking for some chocolate and candy bars.
Where do you keep the peanut butter here? Where do you keep the peanut butter here?
I need a jar of jam for breakfast. I need a jar of jam for breakfast. This supermarket has a great selection of products. This supermarket has a great selection of products. Are these items on sale this week? Are these items on sale this week?
Do you have a loyalty card program here? Do you have a loyalty card program here? I'd like to sign up for a membership card. I'd like to sign up for a membership card.
Where are your reusable shopping bags located? Where are your reusable shopping bags located?
I forgot to bring my bag from home. I forgot to bring my bag from home.
Excuse me, is this product gluten-free or not? Excuse me, is this product gluten-free or not?
I'm allergic to nuts and dairy products. I'm allergic to nuts and dairy products.
Can you check the expiration date for me? Can you check the expiration date for me?
This milk expires next week on Friday. This milk expires next week on Friday. I need something fresh for dinner tonight. I need something fresh for dinner tonight.
Do you have any organic produce in stock?
Do you have any organic produce in stock? I prefer to buy organic fruits and vegetables. I prefer to buy organic fruits and vegetables.
Is this chicken locally sourced from nearby farms? Is this chicken locally sourced from nearby farms?
I'm ready to go to the checkout now. I'm ready to go to the checkout now. Which checkout line is moving the fastest today? Which checkout line is moving the fastest today? This is the express lane for quick shopping. This is the express lane for quick shopping. Do you have 10 items or less today? Do you have 10 items or less today? I only have a few items in total. I only have a few items in total.
Did you find everything you needed okay today?
Did you find everything you needed okay today?
Yes, I found everything I was looking for. Yes, I found everything I was looking for. Actually, I couldn't find the cooking oil anywhere. Actually, I couldn't find the cooking oil anywhere.
Do you have a loyalty card with us? Do you have a loyalty card with us?
Yes, here is my card. Thank you. Yes, here is my card. Thank you.
No, I don't have a card yet. No, I don't have a card yet.
Your total comes to $45.50. Your total comes to $45.50.
How would you like to pay for everything? How would you like to pay for everything?
I'll pay with my credit card, please. I'll pay with my credit card, please.
Can I pay with cash for this today? Can I pay with cash for this today?
Do you accept contactless payment method, sir? Do you accept contactless payment method, sir?
Please insert your card into the machine now. Please insert your card into the machine now. Would you like paper or plastic bags today? Would you like paper or plastic bags today? I brought my own reusable bags from home. I brought my own reusable bags from home. Paper bags are better for the environment today. Paper bags are better for the environment today. Do you need help carrying your groceries out? Do you need help carrying your groceries out? No, thank you. I can manage by myself. No, thank you. I can manage by myself. Here is your receipt for today's shopping. Here is your receipt for today's shopping. Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a great day. Thank you for shopping with us today. Have a great day. Have a wonderful rest of your day ahead. Have a wonderful rest of your day ahead. I come to this supermarket every single week. I come to this supermarket every single week. The staff here is always very helpful and friendly. The staff here is always very helpful and friendly. This store has great prices on fresh produce today. This store has great prices on fresh produce today. I love shopping here because it's so clean always. I love shopping here because it's so clean always. They have a wide variety of international foods. They have a wide variety of international foods. Where is the customer service desk located here? Where is the customer service desk located here? I need to return this item from yesterday. I need to return this item from yesterday. Do you have the receipt for this purchase? Do you have the receipt for this purchase? Can I exchange this for a different size? Can I exchange this for a different size? What time does the supermarket close tonight? What time does the supermarket close tonight? We're open until 9 o'clock every evening. We're open until 9 o'clock every evening. Is the store open on Sundays and holidays? Is the store open on Sundays and holidays? Yes, we're open 7 days a week here. Yes, we're open 7 days a week here. I always do my grocery shopping on Saturday mornings. I always do my grocery shopping on Saturday mornings. The supermarket is less crowded during the weekdays. The supermarket is less crowded during the weekdays. I need to remember to buy more next time. I need to remember to buy more next time. Shopping for groceries is easy with good English. Shopping for groceries is easy with good English. Practice these sentences every day for better results. Practice these sentences every day for better results.
Excellent work! You just practiced 100 sentences for supermarket English. This is fantastic English practice for daily English conversation. Remember, this is daily English conversation practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become when speaking English at the supermarket.
Try to practice these sentences every day. You can learn English at the supermarket by using what you learned today. Don't forget to watch our other episodes for more English practice. We have lessons on restaurants, daily routines, introductions, and so much more. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking English every day and you'll see amazing progress.
See you in the next shadowing episode. Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing.